Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking onto my video. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you guys. So in this video I'm gonna be updating you on how my week 4 went on learning ICT. So yeah, last week I was supposed to start backtesting because I had come up with the strategy that I wanted to backtest. So then on Saturday and Sunday I wasn't feeling too good, so I decided to take a break from the trading, and I was just resting and relaxing. Yeah, and then on Monday I was just having a discussion with one of my friends who is also a trader and who is someone who also helps me out quite a lot. Shout out to you, Ray. He is also learning ICT, and he's quite been successful in his trading career, and he's where I see myself getting to, so I kind of look up to him for advice and all that. So we were having a discussion, so I was updating him on I've come up with a strategy that I want to test, and yeah. Then I shared with him the strategy. Then he says to me, you know what, why are you skipping the H1? Because you know ICT says H4 and H1, you should at least make use of one of them. So yeah, I also saw that ICT says the same thing. So then I decided to just have some time to look at the mid time frame. Because I also noticed that, you know, what I was doing in my strategy is I would go to the daily for direction, right? And then after I found direction on the daily, then I would go to the M5 and look for an entry. After I found an entry, that's when I would only go to the middle time frames and try to see if there is a fair value gap or if there's an OB, any point of interest, and then I would enter. Of which that's kind of the wrong way of doing it. We're supposed to do top-down analysis, not down-top analysis. So I decided to take time to understand the middle time frames. So I took time to just read the charts, read the middle time frame, how it moves, and all that, and then I ended up understanding it, and now I've incorporated the H1 into my trading plan. So now I was ready to start back testing it. But then the other thing that also happened was I was starting to feel a little bit low, starting to have some self-doubt, and starting to feel like, you know what, why don't I just skip and just go and trade live? Because, you know, I've been at it for a long time, and anyway, this is ICT. I'm sure it works. A lot of people have been using it and they've been successful with it, and all that, you know, just telling myself, you know what, let's just go live, let's not backtest, we are wasting time. And also because, you know, when you're on social media and you can see some of the people that you started trading with are now buying cars, buying houses, doing that, doing this, doing that, doing this, you start feeling like, you know, maybe there's something you're not doing right. So I discovered that, you know, these feelings have come from me just watching other traders and their successes. Nothing against them. I'm very happy for them that they've been successful, and I would also want to get there one day. But then for now, I've decided that looking at other people, it's no longer, at a point it used to be something that would inspire me to continue going and motivate me, but at this point it's no longer something that inspires me, because at the point that I am, I don't need anyone to motivate me. I don't need anyone to inspire me to trade. I already know what I want out of this and how I'm gonna get there. So the only thing that I need to do is to focus on what I want to do. So I've discovered that, you know what, watching other traders who are more successful and who have actually made it already is becoming a distraction, because most of them don't really anymore give out content that would help me at the stage that I am now. So I've kind of unfollowed all the people that don't put out that kind of content, and I've left only the people that put out the content that will help me focus more and maybe help me with the stage that I am now. Nothing bad against them, please don't get me wrong, but I'll probably follow them again at a later stage. But for now, I just need to maintain my focus. I just need to just focus on what I need to do, because I already know what I want to do. So yeah, so basically I've had to unfollow some people. And then and I discovered that, you know what, this thing of me wanting to go live already and all that, it's just me trying to take shortcuts again. And also I'm taking myself back to doing the same things that made me like be in the same position for so long, and it's not gonna serve me in any way. So I need to keep on disciplining myself, stopping myself, and doing the things the right way, because if I keep on doing the things that I was doing before, I won't get to where I want to get to. So yeah, that's basically it. And then the other thing that I also wanted to mention is also like when I started putting out this kind of content, YouTube starts also suggesting some people for me to watch. So the people who are also making the same kind of content that I'm making. So I've been watching some people, and there's one girl that I really like. Her name is Black Girl Trades. So I was watching some of her content yesterday, and then she was also talking about how she has deleted all her social media. And just before watching her, I was watching a TED talk where he was talking about how to maintain your focus and what is making you not to focus a lot more. Because you know what, the thing that happens is like if you spend too much time on your phone, like you're always clicking on your phone, you can't focus on the task that you're doing at that moment. So it kind of reduces the intervals that you can focus. Like let's say you're back testing and you're always on your phone, like you're gonna backtest for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes you already want to go and scroll on your phone and check what's happening on social media, and it's gonna take you maybe another hour for you to get back into that focus. And it's a cycle, it keeps going on and on. So for you to train your brain to focus on whatever it is that you're doing, you need to reduce the distractions again. So he was talking about he gave himself a task to spend a month without using his phone, only using his phone 30 minutes a day just to call the important people, and then switching it off and just being in the moment. And you know, but then I know I can't do that. So what I'll probably do is I will just reduce the amount of time that I spend on my phone, especially on the social media apps that are not helping me with what I want to do right now. So I'll probably make sure that whenever I'm backtesting or whenever I'm on the charts, my phone is on airplane mode or it's off completely, so that, you know, I don't have those distractions. And on my laptop, like if I am focusing on the work, I'll probably try to listen to Brain FM, any focus music or anything like that. I won't listen to you know, other YouTube content that will probably cause a distraction as well. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically what I want to start doing now. Just reduce my time on social media, and also for when I'm focused, I just need to switch off completely from the phone and everything and just focus on what I'm doing. So I'm gonna be training myself to do that. Yeah, and then I also discovered that, you know, the Forex Tester 5 is quite a learning curve for me. So yeah, it has been taking me time for me to get into the flow of backtesting, because I still need to learn the software, how it works, how to draw this, and the hotkeys and everything like that. So yeah, it has taken me a bit of some time for me to get into the flow of things, but I'm getting there. So yeah, I still need to learn more on how to optimize using it so that I can backtest better. And then I also need to learn how to film my screen so that I can be able to film my backtesting sessions. I'm not going to share my trading plan as yet, what I'm going to do is just share my backtesting sessions. You probably figure out the trading plan, because it might change, it might keep changing. So once I am now confident with it and I'm sure that it's what I want, it works, and I already know the win rate and everything, then I'll share it properly. So yeah, that's also something that I am going to do. And also I discovered that, you know what, I still have this need for external validation, and it shows up sometimes, like when I post a video and I'm not getting views, or I'm not getting people subscribing, or I'm not getting those comments, I kind of feel bad, or sometimes I feel like, you know what, let me just leave this YouTube thing, it's not gonna work, and all that. But then I just, you know, I had to come back to why I started the channel in the first place. I didn't start the channel for me to get views, because I'm not trying to make money from YouTube. I already want to make money from trading and other things that I want to do after that. And the reason why I started this channel was for me to show the authentic journey of a trader that most people don't show out there. It's just trying to bring out that content, so that, you know, before someone decides to leave school and start trading, they are making an informed decision, right? So that's basically why I started it. So yes, it would be nice to get more views, but I know that it's gonna take a while, and it might not be what I'm sharing, might not be everyone's cup of coffee, because I'm not sharing the glamorous side of it. I'm just sharing like how it's happening. So yeah, but if it could help someone, even one person at all, then it would have been worth it. So yeah, it's not about me getting views, it's not about me about growing a following or anything like that. It would be nice, but it's about sharing my journey, and I enjoy sharing my journey, and it's a way for me to give back, and also sometimes to debrief, and also to keep myself accountable. So yeah, so I've stopped like checking how many views did I get and stuff like that. I've stopped doing that. Yeah, but yeah, so yeah, that has been basically my week. Yeah, so going into next week, what are we gonna do? We are going to be on social media less. We are only gonna be there. I'm just gonna be there just to keep learning, because I still need to learn this content creation thingy. I still need to learn how to edit, how to, you know, how to do other stuff. So I need to still be on social media, and I'm still trying to build my Instagram. I still need to learn how to do all those things. So yeah, I'll probably be on social media for that reason. But then I want to try and reduce my social media. I'll probably not even be using my AirPods, because normally on a normal day, what I do is even if I'm cooking or doing another task, I've got my AirPods and I'm listening to something, maybe something on YouTube. And sometimes it's not even something that is productive. It's just me listening to gossip channels and stuff like that. So yeah, I need to move away from doing that. Yeah. So yeah, going into next week, it's me working on reducing my social media. It's me working on whenever I'm working, I need to focus and stop getting distractions. And yeah, and backtest as much as possible, get as much data as possible, and just stopping myself if I feel like I need to go live, I need to do this, I need to do this. You know what, it's been 6 years, what's another few months, you know? So give it time, just take my time to learn this thing the correct way, and I'll probably thank myself this time next year. So hopefully, yeah. So yes, that's it for this video. If you've watched up to here, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment if you'd like to. Yeah, and also let me know if there's anything else that you'd like to see on my channel. What would you like me to share? What more would you like me to share? Yes, yeah, that would be nice. Yeah, that's basically it. Have a nice Easter, enjoy yourselves, go have fun, yeah, just be safe, and God bless you.